y'all, welcome back to the channel, or welcome to the channel if this is your first time. My name is Chrissy. Hello and welcome. So in today's video is going to be featuring REBDOLLS, and I am going to show you how to style your athletic wear. I know, you're like, Christine, yes, I actually don't have to style literally everything. Well, yes, I do, because you guys have told me that most of your money has been spent on like loungewear, athletic wear, since you're not really out, going out to restaurants, clubs, whatever the case may be. So today I just want to dedicate this video to showing you how to get the most out of your athletic wear, your workout clothes, your loungewear, whatever you want to call it. So that's what we're doing in today's video. But first, if you are not yet subscribed, go ahead, click that subscribe button. Also click the notification bell so that you're notified whenever I upload. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter at ChrissyBStyle. Say yes, stay in the loop, and let's jump right into this video. Alright, so this outfit was really inspired by the color of this. It's a bright tangerine orange color, and to me it's just like fun, simple, summer, spring. You know those days where you're real relaxed but you want to wear a real cute, sexy fit, you know what I mean? So I just added this blue jean jacket. It's just a regular blue jean jacket with my white socks, white Air Force or whatever tennis shoe you have, my little Telfar bag, and some cute sunglasses. It's that easy to make a cute outfit. I really wanted to do this just to show you guys, like, there's so many options and ways that you can make cute fits with stuff that's in your closet, athletic wear, lounge wear, whatever the case may be. It's just real cute, simple, chill, relaxed, but you look bomb, girl. You look so cute, so sexy. It's such a look, such a vibe. Also, you guys, these are really simple clothing items that you can even keep in your car. Like, who knows? Maybe you went for a walk, maybe you went jogging, maybe you're going on a date that's like athletic, okay? And you really want to wear an outfit, but you still want to be like in workout wear and not super extra. This is perfect. So this fit is given very much what it needs to give. This is very much like, oh, I just got a yoga, but the girls kind of want to go grab a drink, grab some lunch. Oh, I remember I have that leather jacket in my car. I can just put it over my yoga outfit. This is what this is giving. First of all, this set is so cute. You guys, it's a little revealing up here, I'm not gonna lie, okay? My boobs are busting. But this set is so freaking cute. It's this leopard print. It's like pinkish, and I think this is navy blue or black. It looks navy bluish to me. Two-piece set. It is sold separately again. And I kind of like the fact that it's sold separately because maybe you're a different size in the bottoms than you would be at the top. But it's a super cute outfit. I just added a leather jacket and some like combat biker type boots, and I made a full outfit out of it, honey. You already know I got the sunglasses to match. I got sunglasses to match like every outfit. If you guys want me to do a sunglass haul and like where I get my glasses from, plus how to choose the best glass shape, sunglass shape for you, let me know. Give me a thumbs up. Let me know down below. But this is a full outfit. It's cute. It's effortless. And that's really what I want to teach y'all on this channel. Just cute, effortless fashion at affordable prices. Okay. So this outfit almost got me because of the color. I think on the camera it's giving off yellow, but in person it's very much, is this chartreuse? I'm not sure. I think chartreuse, golden type of color, which is why I decided to pair it with brown. I thought it kind of offset, kind of, you know, give it a little contrast and color. It was cute. Everybody has that plaid shirt that you want to just wrap around your waist. Super cute two-piece outfit from REBDOLLS with the biker shorts and the top. I really love that this came with a workout top, and it has the built-in like bra cup, so you don't even have to have a bra. I don't have a bra on with this, okay? And it's just sitting and it's supporting and it's all of that. It's so cute. I just paired it with a pair of strappy heels. They're super cute, tan to go with the little plaid throw, and it's just a cute outfit. Let me tell you something. I'll make an outfit out of anything, and that's a period. I'm a little worried how this is coming off on camera because I swear in person it looks so different. The color is really cute. It's really beautiful. I actually love this color, and I actually don't have anything this color, and I don't see a lot of stuff made in this color, so it's super cute. I think they also have different colors in these outfits as well, so you don't necessarily have to get something that's bright. If you want black, I believe they have black, and that's maybe the first outfit. I'm not sure. I think they have pink in this one, but yeah, super how freaking cute is this set? I didn't even add anything to it because I felt like it was an outfit on its own. It's like a cute little collared shirt. Have you ever seen this on like an athletic outfit? It's so cute. With a little zip up, you know, you can be all the way zipped up, you can zip it down however you like. With the matching leggings, and these two did come together. The leggings feel really good. I like the fit. I like how they hold you in. They just look good. I have a little bit of room in them. I'm wearing this in a size 3X. I think everything was a 3X except for the top of the last outfit. But yeah, this is really cute, and this doesn't even have to be cropped. Like, it can come all the way down. It kind of looks like a jumpsuit. This is real cute. I like this. I like this a lot. So you guys, this is the end of this video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up. That helps me a lot. Also, comment down below which one was your favorite. If you guys want to see more styling videos and a bunch of other good stuff from me, remember to subscribe, turn your notification bells on so you don't miss the next upload. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Mwah.